Hey, what's up, you guys? Today we talking about black family healing. Cause as black people, we got to heal. We got to find a better way. Upon all this racial injustice in America, we have to address all the other things that are going on in America, and it's going on in the black families. That's going on in the black psyche. Like black people. It's okay to be scared. Like, if it's a shark, oh, you scared? Nah, I'm not scared. I'm not scared. Like, we got to stop this snapback, clapback culture, all this tit for tat, arguing black back and forth over nothing. It's killing our love lives. It's killing our children. As a black culture, we do treat our sons better and then throw our daughters out to dry and tell them to be tough and to be strong, because we was tough and strong. Just because we was tough and strong don't mean that's the right way to be. If you vulnerable, be vulnerable. We scared. I'm hurt. I'm tarnished. I'm disappointed. Anger must stop being that go-to result. That jealousy and envy track back to that house slave, field slave, and people want to, oh, I'm dark, oh, I'm light, oh, I'm dark, oh, I'm light. Like, okay, whatever. We need to get over that. Like, it's time out for all that. Black people they defined us as sexual animals and sexual beings, as sexual proudness. You are not your sex. You are not your sexual identity. You are not how well you have sex or make love. It's more to you than that. As black people, we have taken on this Jezebel and this the Mandingo myths that defined us. Oh, you can't be a doctor. Oh, you can't be a lawyer. Like, come on now, to laugh, to love, to learn. Just want to talk about black family healing and how a lot of issues need to be addressed in the black community, such as family battles. This your auntie, this your mama, this your uncle, this your cousin. We got to stop backbiting and backstabbing, then wonder why our son killed his cousin, but we done talked about his auntie for 15 and 30 years. Let's take some responsibility. Let's stand up and take our community back. Yes, black women have been forced to lead the black community. No matter how much the United States want to bash us, the world want to bash black women, we have carried the black community on our backs. Yes, there are good fathers and good black men. You need to talk to your other examples because they didn't show up. So even with that being said, men not teaching our sons how to be men have raised them to be grown daughters. They want to fight, they want to bicker, they want to argue, they too emotional. We have to learn to stop emoting and stop taking our anger out on people who we not mad at. And we got to find a new normal and take some responsibility for our actions. Even like them rapist uncles or rapist cousins that people want to, oh, well, you know how he is. No, that come from slave days and keeping secrets and, oh, you better not say nothing because master say, master say. It's 2020. We got to wake up and we got to take our communities back because we see the white man is not going to come save us. All these churches with these religions where all the men dominate and run everything, even when they have terrible whack ideas and they are whoremongers. And they want to target people, premarital sex, fornication, alcoholism, drug use. They target gays. They target all these things, but they don't talk about how they sleeping with every woman in the church. And we want to say we're Christ-like, but Christ loved everybody, so I cannot condemn one for this or that, but I just want to bring to the forefront issues in the black community that need to be solved and need to be discussed. Black on black crime, yeah, he did this, yeah, he did that. You want to come after the black people, but do you go after the white man when he denying you your rights? Do you go after the black man when when he's denying your mom, your sister, her rights? All this hatred and backbiting on each other has come from the United States, the Willie Lynch, just from traditions and black culture and just degrading women. I like the videos, but we all are not whores and prostitutes. There are black women doing things and making changes. Look at your mother. Some people have good mother examples and others have other kind of mothers. Auntie, people are really working hard. And we want to continuously condemn each other when the world is condemning us already. We don't need no help with abuse. We don't need to keep abusing each other. I do read here. To laugh, to love, to learn. Like, subscribe, comment. If you don't like it, let me know. I upload 5 times a week. What else? Oh, everybody not tough. Everybody not a gangster. Stop. Something wrong with black people where we think that everybody got to be strong and a gangster and tough and fight. And that's not how to reconcile differences. That's not going to change nobody's mind. So all this fighting, all this arguing, all this stuff, nothing. It's over nothing. He said my sweet potato pie wasn't a sweet potato pie. Like, who cares? What you teaching your kids? How to not like their cousin over sweet potato pie. Right? Let's take some responsibilities, ladies and gentlemen. We don't want to take no responsibility for our kids. I'm not saying every black person in the world. Please don't go and say, oh, she's there. Next. Stop teaching kids to hate their own. Stop treating your dark-skinned kids worse than your light-skinned kids. I felt my mama treated us pretty equal. I just think light-skinned people do certain type of stuff, but I never felt bad because I was black-skinned, dark-skinned. I felt bad because I was fat. But I was always funny, so I always had friends, but and I felt ugly. But not because I was dark-skinned. It was because I was kind of ugly. But anyway, black people, we got to come together. Ain't no family healing. We study praying. We study going to Christ. Let's pray about some family healing. Let's pray about how to talk to people. Let's pray about how to talk to people without cussing or being ignorant or degrading or downgrading. And let's stop supporting all these sons and daughters who don't want nothing for themselves. Y'all want to keep supporting it, but y'all don't support the kid that need a leg up. Y'all want to keep supporting the one who got who addicted to drugs, they're gonna be in your house for 60 years. So help the one who need the help. And then help the other one too, because you can do that too. And we got to start saving money as black people. Stop giving y'all money to institutions that are not pro-black or don't respect you or don't give you receipts. Y'all be online talking about receipts. Y'all not even counting y'all money. Y'all ain't even saving no money. So let's stop fronting and faking. Yeah, you cute with your hair. Yeah, you cute with your nail. You cute with your lace front man wig, because the men wearing lace fronts and not taking care of their kids. Let's be a cute father. Let's be a cute uncle. Let's be a cute example of how the black community should be. Let's support our black-owned businesses. Black-owned business, stop opening up late. And stop being disrespectful and having bad attitudes and stop smelling like weed and stop having women in there with bad attitudes. Because y'all women with y'all bad attitudes, y'all think God gonna bless y'all. He not blessing nothing that's looking like something like you with a bad attitude, nasty talking, rolling eyes. I don't care how your makeup look. I don't care how your hair look. You don't know how to talk to people. Don't know how to talk to your kids. Ain't raising your kids. Yeah, white people do this, white people do that. Yeah, we know white people do all the same stuff. But guess what? They work together. Black people, oh, well, I saw blue, I saw red. White people, if they saw blue too, and they saw blue. Because they know how to unite. You know what? I'm going to close this article because you guys really need to take a reflection and a look in the mirror. And I can talk on these things because I do these things. I have done these things, and I am in a black family. So whatever you want to say, fine by me. All this want to bash and gay cousins and gay uncles. Yes, some people are predators, but I find that the gay uncles are usually not the predators. It's the straight uncles. And stop getting mad at people for living their dreams, because we get so hateful and envious when people trying to make it and say, oh, they think they better. No, all they think they want another life outside of what you've been teaching them. And I'm going to close. Bye.